I'm not even gonna let you act like you don't see this bun. So in this video, I'm going to talk about why I decided to choose Sisterlocks over traditional locks. I don't want this to be, divisive. I'm telling you why I chose it for me. This individual here in this camera here. There's a couple reasons why I chose Sisterlocks. One, I'm not gonna lie, the aesthetic was what I felt fit my lifestyle the most. I like the fact that it gives a loose, natural effect. But at the same time, Big Locs is that it gives you a more sleeker, I'm not trying to say classy because I don't want Sisterlocks to seem like it's not classy, but when someone that has larger locks gets like a fresh retie, you can't tell them nothing. It looks so good. And also because I knew that the transition would be easier if I wanted to go from smaller to bigger than if I wanted to go from bigger to smaller. Because then I would have to probably take out all of my locks, start over, and then get Sisterlocks or Microlocs. I also really enjoyed the high maintenance of Sisterlocks. I know, I feel like people are gonna be like, what are you talking about? I enjoyed the high maintenance of Sisterlocks because I wanted to start to get into a lifestyle where I pampered myself. A lot of the times I would do things for myself, all by myself, my nails myself, my hair myself, everything by myself. And I kind of wanted to be able to rely on someone else in order to take care of me so I can get that queen-like pampering that I really feel like I deserve. But because traditional locks, you don't have to get them retied as often, you can skate by for however many months low-key you want without having to do a retie. But with Sisterlocks, because there's such a like every 4 weeks you must do this, it kind of keeps me in check when it comes to my self-care routine. Having Sisterlocks has upped a lot of things in me tremendously that I'm gonna get into in other videos, such as like my self-care routine, my femininity, things of that nature that I really appreciate, because I can't be like, oh, I'll do it later. You can't do it later. When you have Sisterlocks, especially when you're starting out, you can't do it later. That's not gonna be a thing, or you might have no hair. Another thing that made me choose Sisterlocks over traditional locks was because I don't really like using products. Now I know I gelled my edges down today. This is probably the first time in about 4 months that I even did this, maybe even more. I just really did it because I was gonna be on video. And I don't even know why I did it. I don't even know if I did it well. I forgot where I was. What was I saying? Oh yes, because of products, yes. Sisterlocks, in my personal opinion, based off of what I've experienced, really thrives off of your internal health. But I like that because it helps me focus a little bit more on what I'm putting inside of my body. Even though this is what I should have been doing before, I didn't. I wasn't. So I've noticed a lot of positive changes outside of my hair. Another video for another day. Like, this bun is bunning. Like, I love the way it looks. For those of you who don't have Sisterlocks, that's okay. One type of locks is not better than the other by any means. It's just what works best for you. And for me, I chose Sisterlocks. But yeah, if you resonate with any of those reasons, or if you have traditional locks and you want to say your pros or cons, or if you're thinking about going into Sisterlocks, comment down below. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll talk to you another time. Bye.